Hey, welcome to Cajun Cooking TV. Today we'll be making a potato salad, which is actually right here on the Cajun Cooking TV cookbook on page 19. So let's get started. So I'll tell you what we have. We have 6 eggs, 14 potatoes that have been chopped up. We have mayo and mustard, and then lettuce, celery, onion,
and sweet pickle relish.
So let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is smash up the eggs. This is actually called a mix and chop. You just smush it with your mic.
Yep.
Don't you also use this for like meat?
Yep. Ground meat, potatoes, guacamole.
Little bites.
Yep.
And there we have it. It's all smushed to little bites. So we're gonna do the same thing with the potatoes. This is gonna be hard.
It's a workout. Gotta press hard.
I'm gonna break the glass.
Pick out some aggression on them taters. There you go. There you go. Without making an absolute mess. How about that? Okay.
So we have the mashed potatoes all mashed, and now we're gonna mix everything into here. I'm gonna get the eggs. Just now we're gonna get the mustard. Onions. What's this called?
Mayonnaise.
Now we've got the mayonnaise.
Good job.
What's this?
Sweet pickle relish.
Now I have the sweet pickle relish. Just gonna, gross. What's this?
Chopped up celery.
Now we have chopped up celery.
All right. Now you gotta attempt to mix that all together.
Yep, now we're gonna mix this all together.
It's a mess, isn't it? You want Mama to take over?
No, it feels so weird and it sounds weird.
Squishy.
Yeah. Okay, now we have Tony's salt and black pepper. So we're just gonna sprinkle that in and mix it again.
Need a good sturdy spoon for that. And a big bowl.
You're gonna need it. I'm just like.
Okay, where's the dog when you need it?
Dog!
Mickey, come lick the floor.
Mickey, come here. Oh, and you can just lick the floor, it'll be okay.
Yep.
Okay, I think we're all done here.
All right.
Okay, now we have finished mixing everything, and what do we do?
What do you do now? You eat it. You want me to come taste it for you?
Yeah.
Can I come in your video?
We have a special guest coming to taste it.
Can I come taste this? Your tater salad? Did a good job. That's very good. All right, y'all. Well, we're all done with our super summer potato salad, and thank you to Addison for putting it all together for me because it's hard work. I did a little bit, but she did most of it, so thank you. And again, we want to remind you that in our Cajun Cooking Made Easy Cookbook, we have the potato salad recipe. It's on page 19. And where can they find and purchase our cookbook?
Our website, CajunCookingTV.com.
And we'll also put a link to it down in the description, so be sure to check that out, as well as the full recipe, so you don't really have to go anywhere else if you don't want to. And again, we appreciate you watching. Please consider giving us a like. And what else?
Subscribe, and don't forget to put on that post notification bell.
Ding! That one? Yeah. All right, from Cajun Cooking TV House, it's Addison and Beryl out. Peace.
So today, I'll tell you what we have. We have 14 onions that have actually been chopped in half.
The onions?
Onions, potatoes.
We're making potato salad, not onion salad.
And before we get started, I just wanted to tell y'all to hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to put on those
The bell notification.
Okay. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe. Put on that notification. Post notification.
Okay, skip the bell.
No, I'm not skipping that.
Okay, let's go.
Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, and put on that notification bell. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, and don't forget. It's a wrap.